We believe the process of building should be as refined as the result. Born from our legacy in paint, we render color in a new language. Then seal the panel to preserve its integrity. Beneath the surface lies the panel's foundational substrate. Distinct layers define the panel's composition, each essential to performance. Engineered to be completely impervious to moisture and water penetration, offering certified fire resistance for the most demanding environments. Stains are temporary, easily wiped from the flawless surface. The surface remains pristine and true to its color, year after year. This combination of durability and a pure, eco-safe composition delivers complete peace of mind. Your vision is our blueprint. Select from hundreds of readily available on-demand designs. A seamless transformation for any space, from bold concepts to serene realities. Mocai, redefining the language of space.